talk about win rates, we talk about history. What I will say, though, is the crowd is electric here. We have a full house today.
All right, screw everything about serious pick and bang face here. Europe
Hey, he's looking for a counter pick.
Garrett spinning to win. The ice mark comes out. Mickey's backing up as well.
Oh, baby!
It's the double!
Ooh, the pants cam.
Look at him legs.
The next gears. There's a second.
Oh! Still has wants it, not gonna get it. Yankos goes through though. He's gonna get it, but they both die.
Oh, it was an execute.
But Yankos makes it out of the turret to Bengi.
Oh, Bengi.
Into Bengi's waiting arms. Oh, no. Huge outplay again.
Oh, he got
stuns him, that's it, it's over. Piccolo and mana, but just one more auto should be enough. Oh, the E! He got him! Clearlove. Oh, no, he walked back in! Oh!
The point and click into death on
You wanna...
Oh, here we go.
Hang on. Karsa's winning early. Elvis is dying. Karsa wins.
You're so handsome on your picture. See picture? Handsome.
Put off the mini wave. He can't actually go for much, and each chain is there.
Oh,
the
it's a
turret
turret.
shot! Argentino Blanc versus 80 carries, man.
Now we've got a problem with Yankos. What the damage?
Take the bottom of the shield, buddy. Gonna go for it, goes in.
Oh, he sails it! The god himself!
나이스. 나이스.
If he hits the Q, Frey's probably dead. Oh, it's bad barrier. Oh, this is really gonna be close. The crowd loves it, and Mata is pumped up.
Can they clean this fight up? As everyone's getting back underneath the turret, Miasma goes over to the top, and Uzi says, where did my friends go? Impact is able to tank that one up. It is going to be double and taking down the Oriana. As now NA just tearing them up.
Credit to these guys. It's about the competition and the fun. Both playing their final regional clash as far as these 5v5 of the year, pretty much.
How do you follow that up? You got something? I got nothing.